We would like to now begin with the national anthem, Kindly Rise.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Please be seated. Very good afternoon to all of you. And on behalf of Raj Bhavan, I extend to all of you a very warm and hearty welcome. It's once again a very proud moment for Goa, where three of our great writers have won the Sahitya Academy Awards. Recently, we had Bhai who won the Gnanapith Award, and he was felicitated here at Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan has got this tradition of honoring achievers in literature. And so we are all assembled today once again to felicitate these three great writers. Honorable Governor himself is a writer and a great patron of literature. And he has done 145 books, and 7 of which were released recently. Sir, a very, very warm welcome to you today. We also have with us First Lady, Madam Rita Sridharan. A very warm welcome to you, Madam. We also are extremely happy with us to have our Union Minister of State, Sri Shripad Naik. He has been a very frequent visitor to all our programs, and he has been a great source of support and inspiration to us. A very warm welcome to you, sir. I would like to also welcome Bhai. He was here recently, and he's the right person to be here on this occasion. It's a great honor to have you with us, sir, today, and a very warm welcome to you. I also welcome the respected Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. A very warm welcome to both of them. Well, the most important people today are the Sahitya Academy Award winners. We have with us Sri Sanjeev Varenkar and Srimati Sumada Desai. A very warm welcome to both of them today evening. Unfortunately, the third Sahitya Academy Award winner, Ms. Shraddha Garag, has not been able to be with us because she is bedridden. We thought of various ways and means of bringing her, because she was very, very keen to come here and be felicitated by the Honorable Governor, but the medical advice was that she should not be brought here. So for that reason, Honorable Governor has decided now to go to her home today evening after this function and felicitate her at her home in Bhavan. I would also like to welcome all the other guests here today, the distinguished guests, and the press and media. I'm sure we will have a wonderful evening today. Thank you very much. I would now like to request the Honorable Governor to please honor the first Sahitya Konkani Academy Award winner. It is Sri Sanjeev Varenkar. He is a senior journalist, author, and a Konkani poet, and he has won the Sahitya Academy Award for collection of poem Rakta Chandan. Please come forward. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to request Bhai to say a few words on this occasion now.
Your Excellency, Governor of Goa, Vedran Pillai, who himself is a writer. It's a great occasion. I don't think Raj Bhavan has ever before taken this step of honoring and felicitating the award-winning writers. And Magista पहिलेच फावटी राज भवनान ह्या साहित्यिकांची अशे तरेन दखल घेतल्या. आदी पयलीं घेवूच ना अशें म्हणना पूण this is the first time. So I express on behalf of the literary fraternity of Goa, I express my gratitude to you, Your Excellency, for this wonderful gesture that you have shown. And म्हाका चड खोशी जाली कित्याक आज हांगा संजीव आसा, सुमेधाबाई आसा, पूण आज श्रद्धा गरड अनफॉर्च्युनेटली येवपाक पावली ना, येवपाक जायना ताच्यान. पूण अशे वेळार if Muhammad doesn't go to mountain, the mountain goes to Muhammad. अशे तरेन हांगा आमचे गव्हर्नरान डिसिजन घेतला, निर्णय घेतला की ताजे मेरेन वचपाचें आनी ताका थंय वचून ताका फेलिसिटेट करपाचें. It is a wonderful gesture. It's the most befitting only to a writer, and that is, they are very lucky that we have a writer in this place. आज खरें म्हळ्यार हांगा संजीवाचें कौतुक करता कित्याक संजयाक जो पुरस्कार मेळ्ळा साहित्य अकादमीचो सर्जनशील लेखना खातीर मेळिल्लो हो पुरस्कार आसा. आनी ह्या पुरस्कारान ताची जबाबदारी वाडयल्या. कित्याक आतां कोणाक दिसता पुरस्कार मेळ्ळो म्हणटकीच खूब बरें जालें आतां, बट ना. नाव संजीवजी is going to represent Goa's literary fraternity at Delhi and nationwide. आनी आतां लोक तुजे कडेन पळयतले की कोंकणींत बऱ्यांतल्यान बरें साहित्य खंयचें आसा तर संजीवाची कविता ही कवितेच्या मळाचेर गोंयची रिप्रेझेंटेटीव करतले, कोंकणीची प्रतिनिधित्व करतले म्हणून जबाबदारी चड वाडल्या. It's very significant that you have won this. One significance is that you will hereafter be looked upon as an icon of Konkani literature from Goa or from anywhere else. But then now its responsibility lies on you to raise your bar and also to showcase the Konkani literature to the nation. And म्हाका दिसता हे award तुका योग्य वेळार आयला आनी योग्य वेळार आयला. हांव म्हणना की पयलीं मेळपा आशिल्लें तें म्हणपाची चाल आसता, पण तें आजून मेळना जाल्यार फाल्यां मेळपाचें. तें आज मेळ्ळां आनी हाजी म्हाकाय खोस जाता. आनीक म्हाका दिसता एक कवितेच्याय म्हळ्यार एक सिग्निफिकंट आसा कित्याक कोंकणी कविता खंय आसा हाजे मेरेन हाजें दर्शन लोकांकी पळोवंक पावतलें. आज सुमेधाबाई हांगा आसा, तुकाय अभिनंदन करता. आनीक संजय तुजेंय अभिनंदन करता. श्रद्धाबाईचें अभिनंदन ही नापसंशा करची पडटा, पूण ताजेर म्हाका खोशी आसा. आज खरी गरज आसा ती आमच्या समिक्षेची. म्हाका दिसता आज समिक्षा जायना, ताका लागून आमी खंय आसात बाकीच्या संवसाराच्या मानान म्हणया भारतांतल्या साहित्याच्या मानान तें आमकां पळोवंक पावना. क्रिटिसिजम or rather critiquing is less happening in Goa, and I think we suffer because of that. And because when we critically analyze any art form, or you can say any book for that matter, then we realize where we stand. And of course, you are an excellent writer. I have been praising him all the while because he is very bold also. Very boldly he criticizes whatever evils in society, and that is precisely what is expected of a writer. So I congratulate you, Sanjeev, and Sumedabai. बाल साहित्य आमकां दिसता तितलें सोंपें न्ही. बाल साहित्य सगळ्यांत कठीण प्रकार. इट्स द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जॉनर, particularly children's literature. आनी आमकां दिसता आमकां सोंपें, भुरग्यांचें न्ही तें म्हणून सोंपें म्हणून ना. भुरग्यांच्या काळजा मेरेन आमी पावतले, भुरग्यांचे तकलेंत कितें तरी नवें घालतले आनी तांकां नवी तरेन विचार करपाक लायतले टू फेस द फ्युचर. हाची खूब गरज आसा बाल साहित्याची. खूब वर्सां जालीं तुमी बरयतात त्या मळाचेर, आनी आज फायनली म्हणया की तुमच्या तपश्चर्येक म्हणया फळ आयला. आनीक हाजे मुखारीच तुमचो भाव चालू उरतलो अशें धरता. दीस इज नॉट ए लायफ टायम अचिवमेंट अवॉर्ड. this is just an award for what you have given to literature. So we expect much more from you in future. आणि इतलेंच दुसरें सांगून परतून सांगता की हे तुमगेलें लास्ट आमकां खूब फुडली वाट चलपाची आसा आनी गोंयचें आनी कोंकणीचें नांव तुमी व्हड करतले अशी आस्त हांगा बाळगिता आनी परतून एक फावट आय रियली वन्स अगेन आय टेक दिस opportunity to thank you, Your Excellency, for this excellent gesture. I don't think here before we had this opportunity to being here at the Raj Bhavan so very often rather. We had earlier, I don't want to name that way, but then earlier Governor Mridulaji Sinha, she was also a writer. We did come here once, but then I find this particular gesture which you have made towards the Yuva Puraskar awardee, Shraddha Garan, I think that's a great gesture. And hereafter, I wish and I hope that you will continue to patronage Konkani literature and overall literature of Goa. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be here with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, last time also I missed, I don't know why, but then I must express, we always say there is a woman behind the man, but not from that point of view, but I forgot to mention the First Lady, Mrs. Pillai. Last time also I did not mention it and then realized that I did commit a mistake, a blunder rather, that I want to improve upon it. And nice to be here and nice to see that you are present here. Your presence itself is a graceful to this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Bhai. Yes, you are right that this is the first time this is happening in Raj Bhavan, and thank you so much for your inspiring words. I would now request Srimati Sumedha Desai to please come forward. She has won the Bal Sahitya Puraskar for a short novel in Konkani, Sumeche Kotangri. I would request Shri Sripad Naik sir to kindly say a few words. It's okay.
नमस्कार. आजच्या या कार्यक्रमाक ज्याच्या हातान आमच्या साहित्यिकाचो सत्कार जाता ते गोवा राज्याचे महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री P.S. श्रीधरन पिल्लेजी. त्या कार्यक्रमाक खास उपस्थित आमचे साहित्यिक मावजाबाई श्री मिहिरवर्धनजी, साहित्य अकादमीचे पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ले सगळे विजेते, प्रिंट मिडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया हे भावांनो आनी भयणींनो, आजचो दीस जावन आसा खूब खुशेचो. कोंकणी साहित्य मळाचेर सगळ्यांत व्हड असो पुरस्कार प्राप्त जाल्ल्या साहित्यिकाचो गौरव राजभवनाच्या वतीन जाता ही खुशेची आनी भर घालपाचो प्रसंग आसा. गोंय राज्याचो महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री PS श्रीधरन पिल्लेरी आणि गोयचो गव्हर्नर म्हणून ताबा घेतल्यानंतर विविध योजना अशा तरेचे राबोवपाक सुरवात केली. गोयची संस्कृती जाणून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न ते करतात आणि उत्सूक आसात आणि त्या दृश्टीन तांचो प्रयत्न खूब आसात. गोंयच्या विशेष करून आर्थीक मानसीक दृश्ट्या कमकुवत लोकां खातीर तांची तळमळ दिसून येता. आदार नसलेल्या लोकांक आजारी लोकांक मदत करप त्या खातीर तांणी मानवतेच्या दृश्टिकोनान जो पुढाकार घेतला तो स्तुत्य असोच आसा. गोंयच्या साहित्यिकाचो राजबाबाच्या वतीन गौरव हो देखील नवो पायंडो आसा अशें म्हाज्या बाबांनी म्हटलें आनी बरोबर आसा अशें म्हाका मुद्दाम नमूद करीत दिसता. कालचो एक कार्यक्रम जालो करमळे मशिनरी ऑफ चॅरिटीज आनी जे ज्यो काही संस्था आसात ज्यो अश्यो मानवतेची सेवा करतात तांकां स्वता ते वचून ते तांकां आर्थीक मदत जे कोण डायलिसीस पेशंट आसात तांकां आर्थीक मदत अशे तरेचो कार्यक्रम उत्कृश्ट ताका 2 इन्स्टिट्यूशनांची मदत दिली गेली. अशे तरेचे कार्यक्रम ते ताबो घेतल्या पासून करीत आसात ही खूब खुशेची गोष्ट आसा. आमच्या मदीं आज साहित्यीक अकादमीचे ज्ञानपीठ पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ले कोंकणी साहित्यीक ज्यांचे विचार तुम्ही आयकले त्यांच्या रक्तचंदन ह्या काव्य संग्रहात पुरस्कार प्राप्त झाले श्री संजीव वेरीकर. सुमेचे कोटागरी ह्या लघु कादंबरीक पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ले सुमेधा देसाई आणि काव्य परिमळ या काव्य संग्रहात युवा पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ली कुमारी श्रद्धा गरड हे साहित्यीक ते आज हांगा काहीतरी अपघात काढावं येवंक शकना म्हणून आमचे खूब आदरणीय खास आमचे राज्यपाल ते वचून तिका पुरस्कार दितले ही सुद्धा एक वेगळीच तरेची गोष्ट अशें म्हाका दिसता. ह्या सगळ्या पुरस्कार तांकां फावो जाला त्यांच्या मना पासून काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा अभिनंदन करता. गोंय ही कलेची खाण. गोंयान आतां पर्यंत देशाक कितलेशे साहित्य दिले साहित्यिकय दिले साहित्य दिले बरोबर साहित्यीक दिले आनी रवींद्र तातूंतल्यान कैवारी रवींद्र केळेकर बाय उदा धेंब्रे वा पुंडलीक नायक बाय ज्योती कुंकळकर एन शिवदास बाब दामोदर मावजो बाब हे आसात आनी जागतीक किर्तीचे स्वर्गीय श्री रोहित पंडीत स्वर्गीय बाकीबाब बोरकर हे साहित्यीक ह्या मातीक जन्म आयले आनी तांणी गोंयचें नांव उजरामर केलें. साहित्यीक हो जनमानसाचो हारसो आसा. समाजामधले ज्वलंत विषय साहित्याच्या माध्यमातून लोकांफुडें हाडपाचे मोलाचे कार्य साहित्यीक करतात. लोकांचे मन जावन साहित्या मार्फत तांच्यो समस्या सोडपाचें काम ते योग्य पद्दतीन करतात. त्याच बरोबर समाजामधल्या घुसमटीक वाट मोकळी करून दिवपाचें काम करतात आनी त्याच बरोबर जगाचे डोळे घडोवपाचें देखील म्हत्वाचें काम साहित्यीक करीत आसा. गोंयचे थोर साहित्यीक परंपरा फुडें व्हरपाची जबाबदारी ही जांकां पुरस्कार फावो जाला ही तुमची सगळ्यांची आसा. साहित्य अकादमीन तेची योग्य दखल घेवन तुमचो गौरव केला. आज पासून खरें हांव जेव्हा म्हणटे प्रमाणे तुमची जबाबदारी अदीक वाडल्या ताची जाण तुमकां सगळ्यांक आसा हें बरी गोश्ट आसा. कारण आमी खूब पयलींच्यान सगळ्या साहित्यिकांक वळखतात. घर समाज आमची संस्कृती टिकोवन धरपाचें कार्य तुमी केलां हाज्या फुडें मोठ्या प्रमाणांत तुमकां करपाचें आसा. बरें साहित्य निर्माण करून देश बांदणे खातीर देशा खातीर काम करणारी पिढी तुमच्या ह्या साहित्यामुळे घडटली आनी तें काम तुमी फुडें घडोवपाचें तुमकां आसा आनी तुमी तें करतले अशी आमची सगळ्यांची अपेक्षा आसा. तुमच्या सगळ्यांक परत एकदां मनकाळजा करून आभार. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. भारत माता की.
Thank you very much, sir. I would now like to request Honorable Governor to please say a few words.
Honorable Union Minister Sri Barnaiki, renowned company director Sri Damodar Anjosi Ji, Ms. Srimati Desai ji, Sri Sanjay ji, my dear friends, I am extremely happy to receive all of you to Raj Bhavan, because within the 6 months of my experience in this Raj Bhavan, I had occasion to arrange so many programs. But what programs are investment, permanent investment for a society? I would like to say 4 literary programs conducted herein amounts to investment. In one program, we invited prominent literary figures of Goa in both languages, mother tongue languages in Goa, and Honorable Uparashtrapati participated in that. There was a very important function in which interaction with the writers was done by Honorable Venkaiah Naidu ji. And our Damodar ji also concerned. So we honored him when the declaration of Jnanavid came in the midnight. The next day we visited and paid our respect and cooperation and sincere compliments to him. Language is concerned. Of course, you all know I am originally from legal fraternity. While I was the Assistant Solicitor General of High Court of Kerala in 2001 to 3, I had occasion to go through the various aspects of the Constitution, because on behalf of Union of India, in fact, I was arguing the such cases. Then Article 250 or 350, I am not remembering. I am old age, that is why not remembering that. An amendment was made in 1956. We all know our Constituent Assembly, of course, consists of very people from all walks of life, or religions, or political thoughts. Then there were so many discussions also. 7 volumes of that discussions amounts to the real provisions and its implications and its history. I tried my level best to go through it. Why in 1956 an amendment to the language aspect was made by our Parliament? One additional A, 350A introduced. Why? 350 or 250? That, pardon for that. That additional amendment provision was introduced because mother tongue should be given maximum importance as far as language and its education are concerned. I don't know whether, I am not saying as a governor I can't say anything about criticizing that. But my request is that, my idea is that, what is in my mind is that, not that amendment came a dead letter in our country. So, Konkani language is an ancient language, a beautiful language. So many, Tamil and Kannada and other all are called as classic languages. So Konkani language is also a classic language according to me. What is the definition for a classic language? Due to various reasons, I don't know whether it has got its own importance in the arena of our society on various aspects. Anyway, Raj Bhavan is concerned, mother tongue, this constitution mandate In fact, we want to give more and more importance to that. That is why when I heard about the declaration of our Sahitya Academy, National Sahitya Academy's declaration, 3 pages are there. Then I contacted our secretary, and the secretary is also a literary figure. But he never, once our Damodarji had himself together in a film which secured a national award one stage. He didn't tell me, but at the later stage he came to know about it. So he is very much interested in organizing such things. And for literary writers and artists are concerned, this Raj Bhavan is opening for them. Within our limit, maximum aid from our part you can expect. And today, Sanjay ji and Srimati Desai ji, so national level award for the language. I can proudly say that it will give more and more inspiration for writing, and our Konkani language will more and more go to ups. And yesterday, very touchy one incident was in my mind. Yesterday we were thinking about these 3 patients. Then Shraddha, Miss Shraddha, our secretary told me that she wants to come here and receive it. But her medical condition, already Damodarji referred about that. Our secretary also referred about that. Because of, I'm not mentioning much details about that. As far as her body is concerned, below this chest level, actually that's not functioning. Nervous system is destroying day by day. She is realizing that. But yesterday when she heard about the Raj Bhavan is giving honor, she insisted to come here. But doctors advised her, and family members are also much worried. Then we suggested some representatives from her family may be sent for this purpose. That also she didn't agree. Under such circumstance, I told our secretary that immediately after this program, and given an assurance to her that we will come there and give our respect and honor to her. So, literally, in my starting of my speech, I stated that it's an investment for the future society. Public workers, politicians, and administrators. I don't know what happened in the present setup. Maybe, of course, taking livelihood and other things, public workers are also forced to concentrate on that aspect also as a public worker or a political worker. His family may not be suffering. But if a service-oriented activity, if it is going to the level of money making, it's not good for the society and good for the democracy. So that is why I use the term as an investment. Only the cream of the society, they are writers, they are real artists. They can change the society. Unity, integrity, and economic development of the society, our country, can be guaranteed by them. So I am complimenting all the 3, and again and again we are prepared to accept and respect artists and literary figures, and your cooperation is solicited for that. With these 2 words, I am concluding my speech. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. I would now request Maisie Disa to kindly propose the vote of thanks.